Good morning, everyone. My name is Renu Katkar, and I'm presenting the paper on English subject under the guidance of Dr. S.B. Kishore sir. Regarding the contents of this paper, we have syllabus, outline of paper, importance of paper, and application of paper. The syllabus consists of prose works, which consists of Rabindranath Tagore, M.K. Gandhi, William Hazlitt, Shashi Tharoor, and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's works. It also consists of poetry, which includes the works of Oliver Goldsmith, Rudyard Kipling, Kamala Das, William Shakespeare, and John Masefield. Grammar work consists of articles, prepositions, tenses, synonyms, antonyms, correction of sentences, and paragraph writings. Communication skills and writing skills include leadership skills, teamwork skills, time management, and goal setting. Regarding the outline of the paper consists of prose and poetry, which helps to expand the oral and written vocabularies of the students. As poetry helps in understanding different perspectives, it helps the student in understanding the viewpoints of people across the globe, and they are more aware of the ways in which language can be used and the rhythms, images, and meanings that can be created by the use of the language English. Secondly, the paper comprises of communication skills such as leadership and teamwork qualities, along with time management and goal settings that helps in improving the overall personality of an individual. Paper also consists of grammar, which helps in faster comprehension, and one can speak and write anything confidently and fluently if one has a proper command over the standard language. Paper contains English reading, writing, and communication skills, which helps an individual to become a better communicator and socialize with people across the world, and this gives wings to one's career. Regarding the objective of the paper, in the 21st century, English has acquired a tag of global language, and knowing English language proficiently gives an individual a global entry in the world of new opportunities. English has become the standard language, and knowing this language improves your comprehension skills, which helps in boosting the overall academic performance of a student and setting his or her own career goals. Most of the computer applications, as we know, are in English language. Therefore, for effective use of computer, one should be well aware of English language so that he and she can get the best use of this technology. Students develop a sense of individuality and creativity as they develop their own opinions about issues in the text. They also learn skills of persuasion. They need to convince others of their interpretation, and this in turn builds their confidence. Regarding the application of the paper, English helps with other subjects since most of the educational institutes employ English as their language of teaching. Therefore, one must know how to read and write in English properly in order to understand other subjects. Efficient use of technology, as English is the language of internet and some of the world's largest tech companies are based in English speaking countries. Therefore, it is very important for an individual to have a proper command over this language, as so that that person can use this technology efficiently. English language also gives a global entry as it is a global language, and since we live in an era of globalization, the concept of boundaries have diminished. If a person acquire mastery over English language, he or she can work and live in almost any country around the globe. Learning English language helps us know about the different professions and opportunities around the world, and one can choose any professions that suits one's choice. This helps an individual in setting his or her career goals as well. Here are the few references that I have used while creating this paper. Thank you so much.